Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to add audio spectrum in CapCut. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is to open CapCut. Once you are in CapCut, you need to import your media. It can be a video or image into CapCut. Once you have done that, you are going to head to text, then click on stickers. If you scroll down, you will find this audio spectrum in the CapCut's library. You can click on it and it will be added to the screen. You can adjust its positioning and scale on the screen. And once you are done, you can click on the check icon to confirm it. And if you go back again, you will see that you can again add the spectrum, how many times you want. And as simply as this, you can add audio spectrum to your any video or picture in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.